Hello people, so yeah, going for a trip around the garden centre today to buy a few things for somebody else and a few things for me. So, what's that? Oh, it's gone now. Anyway, so, right, I've got a list here, very small list. So for somebody else, what am I going to be getting? Early potatoes, Epicure, and they're first early potatoes, so they would be. Second earlies, Cara, 3 kilos of each. Onion sets, Stuttgart Giant and Golden Globe. So we're going to be going on a bear hunt for those. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. So we're going to go and find those and see what they've got available and think of some really cool, magnificent and absolutely epic things to purchase for myself for the garden. Hey!
Oh, look at all these bowls, look. Oh.
No, I'm not actually here to purchase bulbs, but oh, daffodils. Thought I'd show you guys what's available. Primrose. It's nice, isn't it, to just sometimes have a look around and see what's going down. Nice colours. Got to grow some of these from seed one day. Lovely vivid yellow, isn't it? Oh well, we certainly have taters aplenty. Duke of York. Aaron Pilot. Casablanca. I'm just trying to remember, what did I actually come here for? What is it I'm looking for? Epicure. So if you see Epicure, just give me a shout. Duke of York, Red Duke of York, Red Duke of York, Aaron what loads? Pentland Javelin, they're good, I've had those before. Winston Casablanca. Take the old camera there. Some nice varieties there of tatties. Remember years ago I worked on a farm and we grew Maris Bard. Okay, so got ended up with Aaron Pilot because there wasn't any Epicure, so I have Aaron Pilot as the first early and Cara main crop. So with regards to the price of tatties, 2 for £8 or £5 if you just buy one, so it's 2 kilos a packet, so 8 kilos of seed spuds for £8. So what's that, £1 a kilo for seed spuds? Okay, so the other one I'm after is onions, so Stuttgart Giant. How much are we going for here? £3 for 35 onion sets. They look healthy enough. There we go, so they're in there. Stuttgart Giant, or Stuttgarter Giant. Not going to buy any of this, but got asparagus in here and shallots, rhubarb, blah-de-blah. Probably don't intend to buy anything from here today, but just pan through. The sort of thing that catches my eye. They look cool, don't they? Shall I or shan't I? Gonna have some of these, I think. Broad beans, the Sutton. $2.99. 30 seeds. Well worth the investment when one considers the amount of veg that will come from that, and broad beans are, in my opinion, a very great thing to grow. Oh, look at these, look, sweet peas. You all know how much I love these, don't you? But no, I'm not going to give in to temptation and buy any more, because I have enough already. Nice, green manure. There you go, peeps, take a look at that, look. Look at that, see? Maybe considering this in the future. I knew this was going to happen. I didn't really want to start buying too much of this. It's tomato cherry falls. Shall I or shan't I? Oh, they look cool, don't they? Read of that, look. Come into focus, you. There you go. Early cherry tomatoes. Fabulous flavour for baskets and tubs. Bushy habit. Just how I like them. Yeah, gonna have some leeks. I mean, they're a brilliant thing to grow. We got Lyon 2 prizetaker. 500 seeds. £1.40. Leek, autumn mammoth. Maybe they're really huge. 150 seeds for £2.35. Let's go for the big ones. In fact, no, let's not. Let's stick with small and beautiful. I was given some seeds from Sarah Raven last year. Found them very good, actually. When I remember them Tithonias that I grew, well, they were Sarah Raven seeds that a friend of mine gave me. Oh, that's Jacker's herbs. See? Jacker's herbs. Look. And here we've got Sarah Raven. Yeah, good in my experience. All this stuff you see, you think, shall I, shan't I, shall I look around, shall I, shan't I? I'm sure all of you out there who are interested in gardening suffer from that. This is something that you peeps could look into, those of you with the small gardens, look. Veg truck. It's nice, isn't it? Make one yourself, couldn't you? Or buy one. Whatever floats your boat, as I say. Grow a lot in there, couldn't you? Obviously these aren't real. They're plastic. Yeah. Veg truck. Wooden cold frame. Bit different to my bargain one that you may remember. My bargain one made out of polystyrene in a plastic bag. There's gardening for every budget. So anyway, yeah, got my stuff there. So it came to $15.39, all of that. And I was talking to the lady there who served me, and apparently the place I went, it's been taken over by another company or by whoever it takes over, whoever it finances, whatever, because it's been in trouble. You know, people don't go to the shops so much, so someone's going to buy it out, blah-de-blah. People's hours have changed. Some people haven't liked it, so they've left, and people are having to work hard, and you get the idea what's going on a lot in the world. So yes, maybe I could have got that cheaper over the internet. Maybe I indeed could. But at the end of the day, you know, went to the shops, supported, you know, a business, supported people's, you know, jobs, local economy or whatever. And, you know, this isn't a preachy thing to, you know, vent stuff. It's just, you know, simple realities really about supporting local business and local jobs for local, you know, people, economy, and you know, and availability for people, so that if they just feel like a trip to the shops to buy something or to go and have a look, they indeed can, because end of the day, if we don't support them, they will disappear. But all of that jazz, I'm glad with my little haul I've got here. I'm just going to pause it and we'll go and have a clock. So yeah, so we've got onion Stuttgarter Giant. We've got Cara main crop potatoes. We've got broad beans, the Sutton. What else we got? Leeks, Lyon 2 prizetaker, Mr. Fothergills. You know, I spoke a lot about those in the past. and me Aaron Pilot potatoes. So yeah, happy with that. Should get a lot of tatties over that. Okay, yeah, these aren't directly for me, these ones, and neither are the onions, but I will be, you know, growing them for the person. And, you know, I'll be happy with broad beans. I love these, I truly do. And leeks, you know, a real good crop. Good plant to grow. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I intend to, you know, regularly take you around when I purchase things for the garden. So you know what my my approach is. It's to support, you know, traditional companies as well, and also to, you know, purchase from, you know, local business as well, because I think we can all make a difference to things, admittedly, you know, a relatively small difference in many cases in the grand scheme of things. But, you know, if we all do our bit, maybe we can just do a little bit for, you know, helping people. Even if it just, you know, I say just, you know, if it keeps people in employment where they're happy working, you know, it's a good thing, isn't it? So, take care, speak soon, and see you in the next video. Just a little project I've got to get to, I haven't got to, but I'm going to get underway. This was a tree I grafted a few years ago. I'll just see if I can get down there. I double grafted this one. You've seen all these before in previous videos in different locations, but see there that that was the graft. If I'm not mistaken, that was Winter King, and I forget the name of what variety this was. I'll have to check a previous video, but I grafted that, so I'm going to be probably putting that against a fence and growing that as a cordon. The old fig plant here, I know that figs require, well, they don't require, but they like leaf restriction in order to make a smaller, more productive, you know, plant without so much foliage. I need a bigger pot for that. I've got to tie up this grapevine here, and this is a bargain gala tree that I got from Aldi's a few years ago, and it looks rather pathetic actually, but believe it or not, it produces quite well. So I'm going to be having like a little miniature sort of home orchard here. So when I do that, I'll be tagging you along as well. But this produces quite heavily, and obviously due to space limitations, I want the tree to stay small, and this really won't grow that much. So that's an up and coming project to do as well.